I'm really excited to be here at EBMT in Frankfurt. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the work that we are doing with ruxolitinib for steroid refractory acute graft versus host disease. Acute GvHD still continues to be a significant problem, with around 50 to 70% of the patients after an allogeneic transplant getting acute graft versus host disease. Now, in half of those patients, we can resolve the problem with just corticosteroids, but in the other half, it's really an unmet need, with the one-year mortality currently in the range of 70 to 80%. There's pretty good data, retrospective, that ruxolitinib works for acute graft versus host disease. So REACH1 was a prospective study, 71 patients in the United States, multi-center, where we enrolled patients who had steroid refractory acute graft versus host disease. And we're excited to say that the study really met its primary endpoint, that is a day 28 response rate, and 54.9% of the patients responded to ruxolitinib when it was used with a dose of 5 milligrams 2 times a day along with corticosteroids. And after around 3 days, the patients were allowed to increase the dose to 10 milligrams 2 times a day. The interesting thing about ruxolitinib is when it works very quickly, within around 7 days. And for the patients in who the ruxolitinib works, the median duration of response was around 300 days. Now, what we have learned in subset analysis is that patients with grade 2 steroid refractory acute graft versus host disease, ruxolitinib works very effectively. So it's possible that patients who get steroid refractory acute GvHD, rather than waiting for the disease to evolve to grade 3 and grade 4, we should intervene early when the stage is still at a grade 2, allowing the patient the best unmet need. The side effects were really not any different than what we expect for this population. CMV reactivation is certainly a concern. We really did not see any CMV-related deaths in this population, so that was really reassuring. Again, really exciting news that ruxolitinib is effective in steroid refractory acute GvHD. The drug is currently under review by the US FDA, and we are hoping that within the next several weeks we should see the final verdict from the FDA. Thank you.